So you got a water filter in your refrigerator and your filter light notification is on, so it's time to replace the water filter. My refrigerator happens to be a Samsung, so I'm gonna pull the old filter out. I'm gonna take it over to Lowe's and I'm gonna get a new filter. And by the way, that filter is $38. Don't forget to take the plastic wrap off of it. Don't forget to take the cap off the end. And it's literally going in straight in like it came out. Feel around so you find the notch, you push it in, you hear the water run, and there you go. Your new filter's in. Now the hardest part for everybody evidently is resetting that wonderful little red indicator light right there. So here's what you're gonna do. It's very hard to read on here, but I believe we're going to hold this button in for like 3 seconds. And there we go. So hold the water button in for 3 seconds, it'll chime at you and that red light will go out and you're done.